This is Dr. Uma from iLamai Med Spa. Have you ever leaked a little when you laugh, when you're exercising, or when you cough, and just pretended it never happened? You're not alone. And more importantly, you don't have to live with it. It is called stress urinary incontinence. In other words, SUI. This is something many women suffer with, but they are not comfortable talking even with their own doctors. This can happen after a childbirth, with hormonal changes, or out of the blue. It could happen even for women who have never had a child. The truth about this, why women don't talk about this, is they feel embarrassed, they avoid conversations about this, and silently their confidence starts to shrink, right? You don't have to live like that. At iLamai Med Spa, I want to change that narrative. That is not something to hide. We all have to come forward. We have to feel comfortable talking to our doctor about that and get the treatment that is right for you. The treatments at iLamai Med Spa that we can do is very gently, effective, and helps you naturally. How do we approach this in a holistic and in a regenerative way? So first, when you come in, we go through your blood work and make sure your hormones are okay, because estrogen is one of the most important hormone to maintain everything right down there. So sometimes even emotionally, stress can lead to the volume of the tissue down there, and that can lead to certain problems. So we go through your full medical history, and then we understand your history, the symptoms, and the goals, how we can achieve. So with that, we create your own customized plan. First, the treatments that we offer here are radiofrequency treatments, which is completely painless. It's just 1 hour treatment. The effect lasts for full year. You can drive in, drive out. Sometimes patients have slept during this procedure when I was doing. So that is one option. This actually increases the blood circulation and increases the cell growth in that area and tightens up everything. The effect actually not only helps functionally, but it will also help the aesthetics in that area. Our tissue looks more healthy. Same thing we can also do with PRP injections. PRP is nothing but platelet-rich plasma, which is obtained by drawing blood from you and then spinning it and then extracting the rich cells, which are going to help heal and increase the cell growth in that area and start working. Again, the PRP can be used at different areas. Here, even for aesthetics, apart from the SUI, we can use it to enhance the tissue growth there. What we love most about with both these treatments is less downtime. Entire visit about like 1 to 1.5 hours, like I mentioned. You go home the same day, drive by yourself. This is what modern regenerative medicine designed for real women of this era looks like. You deserve to laugh without having to worry. You deserve to move freely, and you deserve to feel like yourself again. If this sounds like you are suffering with this, or someone you know has some problems like this is the time. Give us a call and come for a free consult at iLamai Med Spa, 540-322-1226. Bye.